Howdy, folks. This is me coming back. We just got done eating at the good old Petro. It's pretty good food. I know we ain't eating on the truck tonight, but hey, every once in a while we deserve a break on the truck. But I'm gonna show y'all this hot sauce I bought. I've done did the challenge once. This stuff is pretty good if you like hot stuff. It's 150,000 on the Scoville heat unit. I'm gonna make me some wings later on, in a couple weeks out of it. But look at this. Man, it looks like a medicine ball. That's why I got it, because it's so cute. And I wanted the hot sauce because it was good hot sauce. But, if you catch me around somewhere and you want to try some of this, hey, I'll give you some of it. But, boy, it's hot. Give you a little drop if you want to try it. But, I'll holler at y'all later. I'm probably going to be going outside here soon to do a little of the snow thing. Yeah, we're under a blizzard warning. So, until then, I'll holler at y'all later. Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all this right now. So tomorrow morning when y'all look at this, it'll be all white. Yeah, we're under a blizzard warning tonight. So, yeah. I'm walking in the store. Holy crap, that's bright. I'm about to walk in the store to get dog food. Get dogs water. So, yeah. But look at all this. Look at all that right there. Probably by the time the morning comes, it's gonna be pretty bad. It's snowing pretty good up here right now. But I'm gonna walk in the building right now and get the dogs water, use the restroom and stuff before it gets too bad. But you know what? See y'all once I get back to the truck. Play this claw machine, see what I can win me. No winner chicken dinner here. I got like 50 more cents. Yeah, I do, don't I? Play it one more time for safe measures. Yeah, what should I pick? What do you got right there? Well, shoot. Guess I didn't win him. I'll let y'all